Okay.
And then that is the avatar you're looking for. This one. So to connect to your phone or Macbook, you should turn on the Bluetooth of the device.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So choose the language and then the country or region. Here I am selecting Hong Kong. For the accessibility, just click on Not Now. And then you need to select your Wi-Fi network and set it up. Just click Continue. And then Migration Assistant, you can go ahead and continue again and then sign in with your Apple ID. So now you just have to sign in with your Apple ID and create a computer account. So for iCloud, just click on Setup Later and click Continue. So in the next couple of steps, just click Continue and move ahead. For analytics, just select this field and click Continue. Now is the fun part. It's time for you to set up your Siri by following these simple steps. Open the Documents folder. Show my downloads. What's the weather like? What does the rest of my day look like? And just like that, your Siri is ready. Here you can click on Show Audio Recordings and then Continue. Just to make sure you select both the fields here and click on Continue. Continue again. And now you need to set up your Touch ID. For that, you need to place your finger on the power button and just follow the instructions and you're good to go. Here you can just go ahead and click on Setup Later. Next up is the look. So there's light, dark and auto. I went ahead with auto so the computer can choose between the two depending on the lighting. Go ahead and hit Continue. And just like that, your MacBook is all set up and ready